PTE Speaking section Describe Image is very important task in Speaking module of PTE Academic exam. Many students find Describe Image task difficult. In this task, an image will be displayed on the screen, and you will get 25 seconds to prepare your response. After 25 seconds, you need to start speaking for 40 seconds. Many test takers find it difficult to prepare the response in 25 seconds. If you're able to provide good response with correct pronunciation and oral fluency, then you can achieve good score in PTE Speaking module. The main purpose of Describe Image section is to check test takers' speaking skills. A grammatically correct response with lots of vocabulary is essential while delivering the response. As per PTE Academic pattern, you can expect to get 6 to 7 questions based on Describe Image. So if you are preparing for PTE exam and looking for sample Describe Image questions bank, then you are at the right place. Because here we are giving away sample Describe Image question bank for absolutely free. In this question bank, you will find PTE Describe Image template and over 70 plus practice question and answers. So, what are you waiting for? Just click the link in the video description and get PTE Describe Image question bank for absolutely free.